Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me today as I want to give you a sample of what it sounds like when talking into the phone. I'm leaving myself a voicemail while obviously recording the video. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear the sound difference with speaking directly into the phone as well as to the speaker. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn on a little bit of music. I'll make it a little bit louder, and now I'm going to play it so you can hear how much of that background sound that it would pick up if you're in a bit of a noisy environment. Again, this is me speaking directly into the phone. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the speaker. All right. So now I've got the speaker. It's turned on. The phone is sitting on my desk, and this will give you an idea. I'm going to back up now, and so you can hear how it sounds from a bit of a different distance. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the music on again, and this will give you an idea how much you can hear my voice with the music a little bit louder. Let me lower it a little bit. So now this is with the speaker and the music a little bit lower. Hopefully this will be of help to you. If it is, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So I hope this video is of help. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.